Are you looking for a more precise powder packaging solution? We bring you the new powder filling machine with capacity up to 100 bottles per minute, meets CE CGMP. Several motor controls long screw feeding. The accuracy error is plus or minus 0.2 gram. Made of 304 stainless steel. Sleeve type filling with negative pressure suction to prevent material overflow. Seamlessly linked with Rotary capping machine to form a powder packaging production line. This machine is an ideal equipment for powder filling in industries such as pharmaceutical and healthy products. If you are interested in our machine, welcome to contact us.